I'm Samantha, and I'm going to show you how to make liquid laundry detergent. We like to make our own because in stores we tend to find really expensive ones, and it's hard to find ones that have the ingredients that you really want, or finding ones that have ingredients that you don't want in them. So this is really easy to make. All you need is some soap, which ours was glycerin. We didn't realize that till we got home, but so I'm just melting it a little bit, and I'm going to pour some water in so it doesn't burn. Also, we use an old pot just in case something does burn. Then we're okay. So I'm just going to keep stirring until the soap dissolves. I just took the bar of soap and grated it in a cheese grater. If you have a hard soap where you start grating it on the little part where it makes like little powder, then you can make this dry. You can just put it all in your jar, mix it all together. Also, you need some borax, some washing soda, and baking soda. So super simple. So this is already pretty melted. I'm gonna keep my burner around medium to high heat and just keep stirring so nothing really burns. This is probably going to be very concentrated, so when I'm using it in the laundry, I'm going to use maybe 1/4 cup or less, depending on how much, how full the load is. Because you can add more water if you want a big bucket or something. I just find that a little inconvenient. So this is pretty well melted. I don't know if you can see inside the pot, but this is what it looks like. And you can add fragrance, any kind of essential oils, or our soap was already had some oils in them. So I'm just going to stir in this borax until it's kind of not clumpy anymore, and keep adding all these ingredients. Now I'm going to add the washing soda. This is going to get pretty thick. I'm going to add some more water. And I just use tap water because you wash your clothes in tap water anyway, so I don't think it makes that big of a difference. And then we're going to add some baking soda. Forgot measurements. It was about a cup of borax, a cup of washing soda, and 1/2 cup of baking soda, and 1 whole bar of soap. If you have a concentrated bar of soap, you can just do half of it, just depends on what kind of concentration you want in your whole detergent. Oops, I just made a big mess. I hope it doesn't burn. So I'm just gonna keep stirring, maybe add a little bit more water. I want it to fit in my jar, so I don't want too much. So this is my soup. It's gonna be a little bit clumpy because I'm not doing a lot of water, so the hotter it gets, the more it will dissolve and become more of a hard soap. So I'm making a really big mess. So that's it. I'm going to just stop there. I don't mind mine being clumpy, kind of, so I'm going to put it in my jar. And make sure you label your jar, because sometimes you forget what you actually put in here. So, there we go. Oh, and it just fits perfectly in my jar. There we go. That is my liquid laundry detergent.
Sign up for our newsletter now and you will get a free ebook with more than 49 natural health solutions. Sign up for our newsletter at gonaturalhealthy.com/newsletter. Here are some solutions that you get: cold and flu fighting salve, easy headache relief, smoothie recipes, and 39 more pages with more natural remedies. For info on how to get that big book, then type gonaturalhealthy.com/newsletter into your browser right now and hit go. or click on the link in the description below this video.